We're back. Let's continue with the turtle. All right, so we got the death animation, the tank logic, the oil tanks used as cover. Let's work a little bit on the second phase of the turtle. Also the jetpack, the potato. I think you left like the previous times where you just disconnect without saying anything. Painting a car in real life? Oh wow, that's cool. You know how to use like those tools and stuff, like with spray paint. Oh wow, you don't like level design? That's crazy. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna record a nice tutorial to show you my workflow. Basic. Mm-hmm. I need to show you and all the little things that might happen. Sometimes the topology gets broken. Sometimes it works very nicely when a mesh is originally made in quads and you send it to Substance. Send it to Unreal and then export it out of Unreal as triangulated. It's gonna break. So in that case, you should use the original mesh in quads. But usually for game props, it's just export from Unreal out, then send into Substance, and I can show you how to get the materials from Unreal into Substance, so you can just give it a quick retexture. Let's say you have a very clean character and you want to make it dusty and sandy and stuff like that, and you use the base. Yeah, we should definitely definitely I need to show you how to get these things. And yeah, definitely. And I mean, it would be nice for me to after I release the demo, it would be so nice to just like help you with level design and stuff, like just to give back a little bit all the time that you have been helping me with blueprints and stuff. Kind of like really knock out some. Yeah, we. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, it would be awesome to just like sit down and like push that through and get all the set dressing and all the cool stuff out. Oh dude, that's so nice, the turtle. I restarted my editor and now it's like back to 100. Oh, I love 100. Look at this. 100. Running at 100, dude. I love 3 digits. I imported a lot of meshes and textures and stuff, and I think that messed it up. All right, let's keep pushing this thing because I need to move forward. I need to really move forward from this boss. Back to the fish. No, I wanna push this boss very nicely. Then I wanna go back to the town. Here I want to build my machine gun and my jetpack. I have no clue how to make the jetpack an item that we can wear. And yeah, I would love to make it equip, like, yeah, so we can like use it as an item. A couple hours just finding the thing in the ocean of All right, let's see. Let's push this back to 1000 health. Nice. The turtle, BPC behavior. Okay, so what can we do? Let's get the face and rename this. Phase 1, Phase 2. Delete Phase 2. Duplicate that. Phase 1 damage 0.0 1 or 5. Let's try 0.05. 1.5. On phase 2, the cooldowns are going to go down. We need to copy that name. Phase 1, phase 2. Okay. Ouch, that was too quick. Oh, that's doing a lot of damage. Ooh. We could probably do a little bit less damage and a little bit more health regeneration on the character. Yep, we need more health regeneration. Wow, that's too fast. I... Ah, the duration of the damage. That's a little better. If not, it's gonna be too intense. Are you serious? Why is it hitting so hard? It was not like that before. What the hell? For some reason, the damage just started getting way more intense. Now it's too little. Okay. That might be too little. Yeah, it needs to be. Something like that. And okay. It takes exactly 25% of the player's health if you stay and eat the whole thing, the whole flamethrower ability. I think it's a good number. I found a good number. Okay, so ouch. Let's make it less, 25. Might be too intense. I don't get why the damage is changing, like how come it does more damage? What the hell? Why it does so much damage? Oof. When you respawn, it seems that it takes way more damage. Do I have an item or something that is giving me like stats? Don't get it. Yeah. I yeah, don't understand the damage calculation. Oh. It seems like a good number, and then suddenly now it seems fine. Oh, I forgot. I'm triggering phase number 2. Oh, I'm being dumb. I was like so confused. On phase number 2 the damage is way higher. I was like, phew, I got scared. I was like, what the hell? Ooh, I was like, totally forgot that I'm dealing with 2 different phases. We also need a visual for the second phase. Get that shield. There you go. Now it's gonna go into phase number 2. Yeah, this needs to be very, very... Yeah, we need to do phase number 2 for this creature. It needs to definitely let the player know that something's going on. And we're gonna change the color of the turtle. It's gonna go into enrage mode. And we're gonna do it like this. Trigger next phase. We're gonna get this. Hey Sisa, how's it going? Hey Fang. Yes, we're gonna make the turtle go blue. It's gonna go crazy, so I'm gonna do this. and we're gonna go hue. I want to make it blue like the flame. That's kind of nice. It's gonna go blue, and it's gonna go like this. So we got the death animation, the tank retextured. It's getting way nicer. I'm getting the damage to work better now, and yeah, it's very exciting. We got the armor logic. Yes, I'm really gonna go. Wanna see how much can I do today? This is an instance material. Gonna do it here, and the turtle will go blue. That's gonna look so cool. The little things. Okay, so okay, that looks weird. Okay. Now create a material instance. A material instance right here. And this is gonna come from here. So we might do a transition. Turn the orange down, push the blue on. That might be cool. Let's trigger this a little bit faster. We probably need to set the material first, because we're gonna use a different one. I thought it did it automatically, but and that's gonna make a lot of contrast between the all orange environment. Is it the body that I need to set? There you go. Look at this, looks super nice. Keeps pushing the player even when it's dead. Okay. So we're gonna do it like this. Yeah, it is the body. What we're gonna do here, it's here. We need to make a little transition. And I don't believe we need to set the material. It's gonna change automatically. And here I want to do the reverse thing. Not play, but reverse. Reverse. So we go from turn on to down. And then we set the scalar parameter back to what it was, but now it's gonna be blue. Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. And the target is also gonna be body. Or this one, yes. And this needs to happen a little bit faster. Not 5 seconds, it needs to be maybe 3 seconds. Then we're gonna change the flames as well, for sure. Definitely need to get those flames. Actually, blue flames are hotter. Doesn't look like it, but Oof. Oops, that's not what I needed. Let me see. Oh, no, this cannot be. It just needs to have a... Oh no, actually, yeah, actually we are good here. It's gonna go from value 1 to 0. Actually, yeah, that's good. Then it's gonna set the emissive down. We change material, and on the new material let's rename this a little bit better. This is MI, material instance. Okay. We set the material. And then it goes from value 0 to value 1. This is the other way around. Nice. The projectile fire, I have no clue how to change that. Really have no clue. It's a very hard hit. It's a very hard hit. I don't want it like that. Value 1 to 3. Is value 1 the actual value where it starts? Maybe not. It seems like it's 1. Why do I have that? It has 3 seconds to go to 0. Why it turns it down so fast? I want the color to go down a little bit, and then I want to it should not. Let me disconnect this part of the logic. Why is it like that? Yeah, it went down. Maybe it needs like 5 seconds or something. Maybe it's too quick. Ah, okay. I think that was the problem. Which is weird. I think 3 seconds is good enough. Let's try 4. It's still too slow. Yeah, I don't know why 3 didn't look good. There might be something else bugging out. Ah, the timeline was not playing from finished. Oops. It was not given time for the first timeline to finish. Yep. Typical mistake. Nice. That's probably it. So not from here, from finished. That's the little difference. I had this before. Now when that's finished, we can actually turn this blue from start and update. Okay. Nice, this is gonna look so awesome. So funny, I'm like working a little bit on the logic, a little bit on the visuals, a little bit on the logic, a little bit on the visuals. It goes black, then it goes blue. I love it. maybe a little bit less. That sounds very good, but it's gonna take me a while for me to finish this project. Then I will see what will happen after that, and then I kind of wanna I wanna see what happens after that, and see, kind of wanna work on. I got a couple of projects that I would like to do with two of my friends. And who knows, depending. Hey, how is it going, BSG? And depending how that goes, I might just need to go and look for a job again. Everything depends. Might need to find a job next year, so really want to use this time and see how that goes. There's a super short project that I was working with a friend, a horror game, like a very tiny horror game, and that got put on pause. It was put on hold, and I would love to finish that one. So that's the thing. So it's going great, BSG. I figured out the death animation thing, and now I'm working on the second phase of the boss. That should be blue, not red. So we're gonna change that. And yeah, it's time to polish. That's very cool. Make it crumble like ash. That will be very, very awesome. That will be very cool, to be honest. So this turtle needs to have the blue turtle material. Let's see how it goes. Boom, 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 boom. Wanna add sounds, but maybe not sound yet. But I wanna add VFX for the tanks. But for now, I wanna get the logic to work. Oh, I understand what's happening. Oops. I haven't broken anything. Emissive. Nope, that's not the one. This one. It needs to be blue. Tortoise. You wanna see the tortoise on Ultra Dragon Ball Z mode? So, you know, like blue flames are hotter than red flames, so it's gonna turn blue. It's gonna turn blue. And it's gonna be deadly. Oof, crap. You think it's dead? No, it's not. It turns blue. And then I want the flames to turn red, blue as well. It makes good contrast with the whole thing. Oh yes, that's definitely going to happen. We're gonna blow them up. They're gonna start releasing steam. Psst. Any tips for anti-cheat in player versus player game? That's a good question. I haven't done any player versus player. This is gonna be co-op, but player versus player anti-cheat, I don't know, maybe some third. You said coronel level anti-cheat? Coronel. Oh, kernel. Kernel. Nel. Kernel. Kernel level anti-cheat, but that's probably a third party thing that you need to pay for, right? Good thing. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to do an anti-cheat stuff. Oh, what the hell? Why does it spawn like that? Okay, so let's change the color. Oh, that fucking line in the sky, dude. I need to figure that out. On the skybox. The transition could be a little faster. The thing is that I probably have this set up wrong, but you see that line? That line comes from this sky box, a sky sphere. So we're gonna make it hidden in game, gone, and that happens because I did something to it. So black is gone, too bright. It kind of like blends it a little bit, but the thing is this, it's because I did I added some logic to the time of day, so I can change the brightness of my skybox with it. There's probably a better way to do it, but I think I messed it up. That's that super line in there, dude. It looks terrible, dude. Like it really. It is a sci-fi rainbow. Yeah, that really. But it's okay. We're gonna figure that out. Yay! Can't wait to move on. Let's push this turtle. I want to push this turtle to a point where I feel like happy with it, and then I'm gonna keep working on other stuff, then come back to this for final polish. Let's. Yeah, I need to tune in the gameplay side of things. I want to give the dash ability 4. I want to make the dash ability go 4 times before you run out of energy. So here I think I'm gonna just go with 2 seconds, to be honest. 2 seconds. Now that we are here, let's just modify that super quick. Then here also 2 seconds. That's I'm feeling way more motivated. I don't know. I was feeling a little bit down these days. I was like, again, because the lack of progress, right? When you don't see progress in a couple of days, you get demotivated. That happens. How do you track your workflow? What is still incomplete, plans, bugs, etc. Well, I track it like kind of like thinking about it. The turtle is gonna be the final thing. Basically, kind of like by area. So outpost, down, and crash site. So basically, we start here, we go here, right there, then we go down here, we go here, and then here, then here, then here, then we go back up here, we go here. This guy might not be part of the demo, I don't think so. Then we go up here, and then we go up here. Then I believe this is probably gonna be closed here. Yeah, that's gonna be closed. And then we fight in the town. We come here. We have a big fight in this town. We liberate these creatures, and then here we're gonna get the machine gun and the rocket and the how do you call it? The crap. Oh, what happened here? Oh, I'm missing one of those. Maybe unloaded or something. Here we're gonna liberate the town, and we're gonna get the jetpack and the machine gun. After that, to get the jetpack and the machine gun, we're gonna have get a little bit, couple of quests and dialogue here and here and here, and then you get the quest. Oh, there's a big turtle blocking the way. It kind of Snorlax in Pokemon, and you gotta go fight it and liberate. Unblock the path to the outside, and basically that's the final boss. That's kind of like what I got for the demo. What? Oh crap! Yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice to keep things. I do make notes as well. I do have a little notes that I've taken. This was when I went to the beach, and I took I think a couple of days off, and I recorded some sounds. I just wrote down all the little things that I want in the demo, and I was like, okay, so I want to do something in this area, on the town, and then who's gonna be the final boss or the end of the demo. That's it. And here is where I just kind of like I said this is gonna be the last part of it. So it's very, very nice. So yeah, But but yeah, just progress. That's the fuel. That's the fuel of the project. Just pure progress. If you feel that you are moving forward, that's the thing. That's what is really. Oh, I love that transition. Way faster. Oh, what? The turtle died before the health bar ended? Or is it me? Oh, crap. I I don't know. I appreciate it. I think it died before the health bar ended. Oh, crap. Oh my god, who knows what are we going to find once we package this thing and try it out in co-op. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess for sure. So okay, next thing. Let's explode that armor in a very cool fashion. Don't come up with crap like this. Come on. Oh my god. Now I'm getting weird errors with the player start. Yeah, yeah, you're absolutely right. I'm gonna do multiple playthroughs. Oh no! Why is it doing this? Oh, this has to do with the player start. I changed some some material. I messed up this one. It's okay. That player start it's messed up. It is where it was before. I don't know why that happened. You get that error when the player start is underground, but is there any kind of collision that is messing this up? Doesn't look like it. This template is giving me new issues. Yep. Yep. Alright, I guess we don't need to use the player start for now. Yeah, bypass, that's the new name of the game, bypass. Something doesn't work, bypass it. The turtle health bar, very good, very good, very good comment. It is very small inside the turtle. We need to make that actually like a boss health bar. Do you know how to do that? You see the health bar of the turtle? Can we make it like visible on the hood? Like, that's awesome. Yeah, I wanna push the project, and I'm gonna do the. Or move the health bar above it. No, let's put it on the screen like a boss fight. Yeah. Like a boss. It's gonna be funny. This turtle. Reference to it, right? So this comes from a marker widget. Should we find this? It comes from here. Hey Sherry. Let's check this out. No, Sherry's sharing free stuff. There's a very good sound pack that he shared. You really bought that stuff? No, that was Sisa. No, that was Sisa. That was Sisa who was shilling stuff. No, Sherry just shared free stuff. Yeah, we want to make it visible as soon as we enter the ring. That will be awesome. So here, this turtle health bar, it's inside the widget world map marker AI. So how do I get a reference to this and put it on the player HUD? Player HUD. Let's see. Widget. Okay, so you don't want to put it, use, okay, just put it on the screen. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so damn, I'm so bad with widgets. Oh, I guess. I guess we need like a volume so it appears, right? In the volume. I think first step is to make a blueprint. If we want the health bar to only appear inside the volume, no? But you know what kind of health bar I want? The one that sticks to the screen, not to the mesh. So how will you do it? Okay, well that makes sense. Okay, so let's get the turtle, and inside the turtle, just gonna add a little box collision. Sphere collision. Okay, we let's call this health bar. Health bar, boss health bar, something like that. On screen health bar kind of thing. It doesn't, well, on screen it's not very descriptive, but let's see. Okay, so then sensor. Why sensor? Should we make it big now? Let me check. Okay, I think that's great right there. Yeah, I think she's not gonna move too much, to be honest. But yeah. Sphere collision to overlap only. overlap on dynamic. Overlap all. Just overlap on. Okay. On begin overlap. Okay, on begin overlap. Let me get the logic that we use for the yeah, let me get the logic that we use for the overlap, which is a bug spawner. Remember the multiple spheres we have, so let's get it here. Okay, then we're gonna get the remember the character, I think I showed you this. No, it's remember the character? It has a bunch of spheres, and we want to collide. Oh. This is the one that we need. I want to overlap with this thing, not with that one, or with this one, or with that one. I want to overlap only on this one. It is very annoying, like when you are far away and it overlaps with this one, and you are very far away, and you are like, you know, this is the solution we found for this. I've been using that for everything. So this is the name of the widget. Okay, and let's push it here under create widget, I think, or what? Right? How do we link this to the one? From here. No, this needs to be. Oh, yes. Oh, that way, okay. Now, how is this widget going to be related to the one that we have? Player screen. Oh, I haven't seen that one. Okay, but yeah, the question is this health bar going to get the turtle progress? Health bar progress? Why did I spawn here? What the hell? Not showing. And why is it dying before the health bar goes to 0? What the hell? That's another problem. Yeah, let's see this other way, and then we can try that. So what you're saying? Checking these options. What are you saying that is missing? Oh wait, player start. Oops. It's not spawning there. We can do this with DOS implement interface as well. Let's print string and see if we are actually I think you're right. That also makes sense. The ultimate. What the fuck is going on? No, we cannot overlap. Okay. No, just overlap. Oh crap, we need to be careful with this. Let's try this one. Delay here. Oh. Okay, let's spawn away from the circle, outside. It might not compute. Because it's on big. It's on begin overlap. It's not like it's already overlapping. So we are overlapping. Okay, that's true. We need to test this. Instead of add to viewport, let's try this. Let's see. No, there's something. You mean you said delete this? The overlap is working. Yeah, we're getting overlap. Okay, we know that one is working. Add to player screen. Let's see. Add to screen. It is adding it to screen. It's just not showing up. That's the health bar of the turtle. Local player. Get local player controller from ID. Let's test a different widget. Let's test something like menu. Yeah, let's test something crazy like that, so we know we are not gonna miss it. It's also this widget is a little strange. The health bar widget, it has this thing on distance. So let's might be something interfering with it. Oh, it works. You see, it was the health bar. The health bar is oh, metahuman, my eyes are burning. Okay. Graph. A designer. On the right side here, or you mean here? You mean here? The issue is that we're gonna modify the original. above. Let me check something. Yeah, let's do a super quick test. Character skin instant, like what the hell is this crap? I don't know why that widget was asking for that. Yeah, we should make a new one. Yeah, let's just make a new one so we don't mess the health bar, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna use, but let's actually not mess that one up and just create a new one. And we have the logic from the canvas itself, so we might be able to use it. Let's create a new one. Let's actually create a new one and let's leave this be. I think this is how it was. Yeah, only the progress bar and the logic. So, are you serious? No, we're gonna make a new one. We don't want to modify the original. On the graph? Okay. Set visibility progress bar. It's C++. It's a already made node. Yeah, let's just make a new one and basically copy the logic and get the you see controls my owner, the BPDAUI. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we probably don't need here. All right, so new. So widget. User widget. the hell? Okay, now we do a canvas. Let's push a canvas. Then we push a health. It's like it's like the first layer, right? And then here we can actually yeah. Center top. I think so, yeah. We need to offset that thing to... Okay, so what if I want to put it here? It's minus 50 or 0, 50, minus 50. Now size. That's, yeah, it's very tiny. Oh, so is the size divided in two, okay. Alignment top. Oh, okay. Okay, that's awesome. Hey, how's it going? Alignment, put 0.5 on first and position X to 0. Alignment. Oh, so if you put alignment 0.5. No, I think. Yeah, I need to get used to this one. Appreciate the follow. Then position X 0. Okay, let's try that. So, alignment 0.5. Okay, there you go. Yeah, 0.5 and then 0. Oh, not here. Position 0. There you go. That's what I want. Alignment X, size Y, position Y. I think something like that. Nice. That's awesome. That's very awesome. Yeah, I'm just hanging out. Okay, it doesn't like to. Okay. Widget menu. No, we don't want that. We want it here. There you go. Where is the sci-fi? The sci-fi is all over this project. Buried under the sand. Okay, so yeah, let's first test if this actually comes. Alright. Yeah, let's see if we get the health bar. Doesn't come up. Yeah, seems like it. That's very strange. Player screen? Should we do... it's a game. Yeah. But we tried a player screen before, right? So strange. Maybe the other widget was different. Who knows? Okay, let's check. Yeah, the turtle. It's actually the final boss of the demo, and you need to fight it so you can go through. It's blocking the way, a little bit like Snorlax. It's a patented. How do you call it? It's patented mechanic from Nintendo. That's so strange. Why are we not getting the health bar there? No, right? It's not coming up. Let's double check one thing. Let's double check the size of this thing. Open the widget from the... let's... Yeah, give me a second. Let's double check if we are actually using the right health bar. It is the right one. We are calling the right one. It's possible that it's invisible, but it has no logic yet. Okay, if we don't see that, we have an issue. Yes, we have the print string. Oh, collapsed visibility. I think it might be collapsed. I think that you're right. I appreciate it. Yep, it must be that thing. Collapsed. Absolutely right. That's the problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Cludos. Appreciate it. I do have a little bit of level design. Oh yes, perfect. Sweet. Oh, it's gonna look so cool. The turtle. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's make this health bar work. So. Yes, I have my YouTube channel. There's a lot of work in there, and you can check my art station as well. My links are in my let me send it to you. So my YouTube is Unreal Habitat. Let me YouTube. This is my YouTube here, and then ArtStation. I haven't updated my ArtStation in a while. ArtStation. But I got some stuff in there. Also, I got the Instagram. On Instagram, I believe it's Unreal Habitat as well. I got some other work on. Yeah, Instagram is just the same name, Unreal Habitat. Sorry, Sherry, give me a second. All right, perfect. Awesome. It's awesome to get help from Twitch. That's very cool. Visuals. Yeah, I used to do Blender motion graphics, but now I'm not just focused on my game project. But yeah, maybe you can send me a message on Discord and see what you need. Maybe I can point you in the right direction and see if it's anything I can help you with. Let's see. So the health bar, it's again not coming up because we have a Discord link says invalid. Okay, let me check. I need to make it permanent. I don't know. I made it permanent and it stopped working for a while. I don't know what happened. Need to try. Yep, the link just changed. That's the Discord. I'm also gonna get it on the video description. Okay, cool. No, I don't do assets. I'm a 3D generalist. I do retexture and kit bashing, but not making my assets for this project. Trying to get the logic side of things. Well, right now I'm pretty busy with this project. But I can share some cool tutorials if you want to learn how to do that with Blender. That's very cool. All right, so let's try to see what happened here. Why are we not getting this thing? Okay, so okay, wait. No, I think we were using this one before, right? Delay. Let's take that delay off. Let's take the delay off and see what happened. I appreciate it. Finally, it's appearing. I don't know why that was. Yeah, look, Doki 3D. He has Blender tutorials on motion graphics. Definitely, very short, nice tutorials. I got into Blender because of Doki 3D. So let's get the logic of the health bar, right? Here we're gonna copy the logic from our other thing. There we go. Event interface AI control visibility on map. That's all visibility, I guess. Probably we don't need this at all. Set visibility, I don't think we need that. I think we need this piece of logic here. Without the set visibility part. I think we need to get call on damage. Update icon, we don't need that. So here on graph. Control size, right? We don't need to do that. Collapse, get visibility, branch, false. We don't need that. We don't need this or this. Just percentage. Set visibility, we don't need that as well. Let's drop it like that. Super simple health bar. Okay. Health bar appears n seconds. AI health bar appears for n seconds. I believe we don't need that. Set visibility, control size, play animation. We have that. My owner damaged. We might not need that as well. I think it's just this. You should not have created the variable progress bar. That comes from the binding, right? We need to do a binding. The one that is on the widget, the variable progress bar. Okay. Okay, now we need to bind something, I guess, here. And we need to bind percent to max health, right? I guess. No, we need to bind to creating the actual animation. Set percent on control progress bar. Ah, okay, yeah, this, I see. This percent controls the animation, okay. The question is, can I actually spawn it? No. Oh crap, I got confused. Can I check the... I wanna see what's binded here. Oh, there's nothing binded. Um, yeah, I'm thinking. Where should we put this? Um, is the animation? Yeah, I will check it later. I appreciate it, Fang. Uh, you hit the animation panel. It's on designer mode window. But where is the? Can we get the animation that I got here? Do we really need to make an animation? Wait, I think we are overcomplicating things a little bit. We are trying to replicate this other one. We're trying to replicate this. Look on designer, you will look at the animation. Where's the animation? Okay. Oh, we cannot just copy that? No, I guess we can't. Binding progress bar. Progress bar. I guess this one. We don't need translation, rotation, scale. Shear. I don't know what he animated here. Oh, I see. Pops up. No, I don't need this animation at all. I thought this was the thing that we need to bind to actually get the health bar to work. So why are we making this? To start with, yeah, we don't need an animation at all here. Okay. Fill, color, and opacity. Percent. This is the one. This is the thing. I want to bind percent to. Bind to what? You said? It comes from here. It comes exactly from here. We are using the RPG engine health. Yeah. So where is he getting the health from? Oh, set percentage just here? Yeah. I think it might work already, yeah. We're using the same logic. We don't need any animation, actually. It might be already set. Okay. Spawning. No, you won't be able to play from here. We don't need any animation. Set percentage. Okay, this this function, let's bind it to the percentage here. But it's a function already. How do we deal with that? We cannot do it like this. No. Fuck. It needs listen actor and the binds. Half of the code required. I think I don't think we need all this code. We don't need any animations, resize. No, I don't think we need any of this. Yeah. Visibility. This is just for visibility. Yep. Get component by class. Listen actor. Get maximum health. Set visibility. Okay, we have some logic here. The bind and listen actor. So we have the listen actor here for max health. Event can we set this on begin play or something? Well, we are not gonna use this event. Okay, okay, so Okay. Let's clean this up because there's a lot of stuff we don't need here. The problem is that the event is named differently because it comes from an interface, I guess. Yeah. Okay. This needs to be the let's see which one was it. I think it is. Okay. Can we add this directly to the widget? Give me a second, sorry. Dejdes. Хто, який дід?
Новий дід.
А, ну добре.
Я навіть назву її скоренько, бо я. Добре? Так, бо ти нікуди не їдеш, ні?
No, добре. Alright. Sorry. But wait. Are we? Can we add? Yeah. But can we add interfaces to the widget itself? Okay. Now I want to get this one. I know, but event BPI AI control visibility of map widget. I don't want to control visibility. That's the thing. Event BPI. Because I want to get it from the interface. AI control. How do you call that? Event BPI AI control. Maybe not. Okay, we need this one. This comes from BPI RPG interaction. Okay. Okay. Update icon. Yeah, we don't need that. Bind event, health changed. Branch, get owner pawn. I guess this logic we don't need, right? Like, yeah, I think we can just go like this. Yeah. This logic comes from the previous health bar, which appears and disappears based on distance. You know? Yeah, I'm explaining to people in the chat. There's two people helping out. Let's see. So, listen actor, on call damage, bind, set visibility, listen actor. We don't want visibility. Everything that has to do with visibility, we don't want. Set visibility here again. Collapsed. Non-hit testable. Set listen actor is already set. I appreciate it, Cludos. Set visibility. Okay, all right, so here we're gonna bind the what should we bind here? Yeah, right here. Uh-huh. The percent? What do you... This set percent is so like... Huh. So the function we made, we are not gonna use, right? I think, yeah, that set percent is after the thing. Okay. Hey, how's it going? Shouldn't need to bind percent bar. You're already binding the event. Binding eventing graph. Yeah, just the way he has it set up. The binding. I think he doesn't have it binded. And where's the other variable we made? Not sure where it is. We created a binding, and we made a new function, but maybe that got deleted. Yeah, we need an AI that reads games, that analyzes the game, and then it can build. And then it can build on top of it. Yeah, it's here. It's this one. Right here. Where the heck? A marker widget. That's the one. That's the one that we have been No, I don't think it comes from here. I think it comes from health, max health division in percent. This is it. And create a event bind Cold damage. Yeah. What is not exactly the same is here. I'm looking for any like a. Oh, it's a variable. Let's see if we have that. Yeah. Colon damage. Great. Yeah, the turtle boss is coming together. Just want a health bar for the turtle boss on screen. Yeah. Health bars are always a pain. So, what's happening here? Like, does the health bar starts empty? Is that what's going on? Cold damage in turtle. Cold damage in turtle blueprint. The thing is this, like, you see the health bar inside the turtle? You see that health bar, it's working right there? And it's using the same logic. That's the funny thing. Hey Storm, in AI Boss Toolkit does what you are trying to do with the health bar. Okay. Yeah. Control map visibility. I think, I don't know. Something tell me that this is not being called. I believe this is not being called. Delete from start to the branch top part. There's a state. Add a construct node. The thing is that, like, how are we gonna get the listen actor? let's open up an example. Give me a second. Listen to health change, dispatch, and unsub the end should be pretty similar to this template. Yeah, it's pretty simple until you're dealing with the RPG engine. Yeah, when you make stuff from scratch, it's way simpler. But when you have a bunch of stuff already made, it's takes more effort to see what's happening here. This is you just need to set the reference when you create widget. Oh shit. Fuck, I am too much information for me. To listen actor and pass it to the boss reference. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I know where to make it visible. Expose on spawn and instance editable, right? Ah, no, it's not set, it's get. I think. A listen actor. We need to set it, right? Like, no, set. Directly on the node you can. Yeah, I'm on the turtle, BP. And you don't use set. Use the pin listen actor on the create widget. Like this. Get reference to self. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Because there's nothing on the map. That's why I'm running on. Somebody's asking if I'm running 100 frames per second on Lumen. I'm like, yeah. Because there's nothing, there's not much on the map. Okay. Delete all the nodes on the event graph of the widget. All nodes, are you sure? Are you sure? Like, delete all of this? Get component by class. Get component by class. These ones? Okay. But click on progress bar in front of percent, click the link. Max health. Okay, percent. This code. Not maximal, just health. Okay, I think we are getting it somewhere. Oh yeah, health divided by, okay. So all of this we don't need, right? We just need to keep the percentage. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Actually, we don't need this at all, right? That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what we get. Oh, it works. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Storm. Let me... It doesn't disappear, no problem. We're gonna make it disappear. We have that logic here. Name. Okay, get visibility is valid. Show health bar is a boolean. Index return node. I think this is what we need to make it disappear, right? And that boolean is set when the health bar equals 0, I guess, somewhere. Okay. And remove from viewport. Okay. Yeah, that's very simple. I think I know how to do that. So on component death, bind on death, we're gonna simply remove this thing by going to is there like a destroy widget? Or what was the node for? Ah, remove widget. Remove from parent. Oh, okay. So we're gonna trigger this. Right here on turtle death. We can make a custom event to make it a little bit cleaner, but also we can just kind of like that. When the turtle dies, it disappears. Okay. Hey, how's it going? You see, Sisa, I need instructions in a language that an artist can understand. Oh, he got me. Okay. We need to use the checkpoint. Also, if we get out of this thing, I want to push it out toward Sila. Somebody called it Marvin, another called it towards Sila. Still like America. Oh, so many names. Where's the thing? Where's the circle? Bind on end overlap, end component end, begin and overlap. Okay, so here when we get out of this thing, nope, wrong one. Right here, when we get out of here, of this circle, I also want to remove widget. Is it gonna come back if I come back into the circle? Is it gonna remember the health that it had before? I'm not sure. No, we don't need to remove. We might need to hide. Just visibility, right? I think. But you think it's gonna destroy the widget? It's gonna like forget how much health it had? The widget does not store the HP, so yeah, it's gonna get reset. But it stored the reference of the actor. Okay, I think it's gonna get reset. So for example, if I come here, we damage the turtle, it goes blue, then I go down, out of the box, it disappears, I go back in, I go back. Oh, it does remember, nice. Yeah, but what happens if I get pushed very far away from it? The health bar disappears. Then when I go back, it goes back in. Yeah, the turtle has a lot of health regeneration. We should definitely change those things. When we get close to it, it pushes me away or kills me depending on... I need to adjust the attacks. Respawn. We have the checkpoint. Ow. The problem is that when you die, you lose your things. So recovering them, it's a nightmare. I need to think about this. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna drop items on death, at least not on this area, because it's gonna be like... I really need to think what is going to happen when we die. Yeah, all of this is the old errors. You're gonna clean that up when we transfer to the latest version of the template. It's like a tick. Okay. The binding link does that. But yeah, I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for the help. Sorry, I got a little bit overwhelmed with so much information coming from multiple sources. Yeah, that's so cool. We have a health bar. Now we're gonna get rid of the other health bar inside this thing. This one comes from the parent. We don't want to touch it too much, but what we can do is tell it to be invisible. Or simply don't render. Remove it from parent, but I want this parent to have it because it's gonna modify my other ones, my other enemies. We can also make it visible. Yeah, we can basically just remove visibility. No. This comes from the parent. The parent of this turtle is the AI ranged medium. So all my other ranged enemies. Yeah, all I need is to make it invisible. But how do you remove it? Ah. Here? But so you mean like this? No, this works. No. But yeah. I think you're talking about the other one. I'm talking about the little one. Remember, we had a little health bar. Now it's invisible. That one comes from the parent. Yeah, we don't need the small one. We don't need the small one. Nice. Yeah, I think gonna make a very cool industrial design for the health bar. I don't know. Maybe just keep it simple. That's very cool. ¿Ya se fue, no? Todo. Ok, ñazo también. Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the help. I really appreciate it. I think I just gonna add the text to the health bar, and I think I'm gonna take a little break. For now, golden tortoise. We will see how it's gonna be named. And the text is gonna be widgets. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just trying to. No, I'm just gonna hard code it, whatever. we can do that when we get another boss. Now it's time for me. I need to go have my food. That's nice. Explosive eggs. Okay, whatever. Let's use this. Name must be unique. The golden tortoise. I'm not sure if I want it inside the text, the thing. But we will see. This is a placeholder just to get an idea of how things. Yay. I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. My food is getting cold. Let's just test this out. And then it depends. Maybe I can do a little tiny stream after, just to play a little bit with VFX. Golden tortoise, yeah. It looks absolutely pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Size. Okay, crap. Sometimes it goes through the floor when it dies. Those shadows look pretty funky. Yeah, it's a little better. The name on top, a little bit more spacing. It's a little bit on the edge. We don't want that. Can probably push it down a little bit. Health bar, I don't like it. It's too thick. Maybe we can make it less thick. And it would be nice if it goes to the center. But yeah, that's super cool. Nice. Yeah, no need for AK landscape. Yes, today we got some good progress. Super awesome. Okay, boop boop. So yeah, gonna go get some food and take a little break. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on